Alright guys, what's going on? We're back with another video. Today is going to be the Traxxas Stampede versus the Traxxas Slash Tug-of-War. So, it's very windy outside, so I'm going to warn y'all, the audio isn't the best, but it's what we got to work with. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all that everything is even. So we got nickel battery, or pretty much even, yeah, as even as I can make it, I guess I should say. But nickel battery in this one, nickel battery in this one, and we got the GoPro. And whoever wins gets to take home this Titan Traxxas Slash motor, Traxxas motor, I guess I should say. So yeah, we're ready to go outside. There's gonna be 5 rounds, and whoever wins 3 takes home the prize. And I think that's it. So we'll catch you guys outside. Alright guys, so we're outside. This is going to be 5 rounds. Whoever takes 3 of them wins. So let's get started with the first round. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Alright, I don't know how long that was, but basically how I'm doing it is whoever has more of the string on their side, there's 10 seconds for each round. So whoever gets the most in 10 seconds, I forgot to time that one. So let's time the next one. Alright guys, so this is the second round, and it is going to start with the Slash up by 1 and the Stampede 0. It's going to start right now. And that's 10. And it looks like the Slash won again. So let's restart and go to the third round. Alright guys, so we're back with the third round. In this round, if the Slash takes it, the Slash takes home the win. And if the Stampede wins, then we're going to the fourth round. But this is the third round right here. And let's get it started in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to have to take a measurement because that is way too close. Okay guys, we're back. It's getting really windy outside, but I'm just letting y'all know, I forgot to tell you, but I have measured before every round. So that's what the pause is for me resetting and measuring. So remember, whoever has more string wins. So the line's right there, and the end of the bumper is right here at 19 inches. Now let's measure for the Slash, or the Stampede, sorry. Okay, so the end of the bumper is right there, right? And we come down to the line, and it is about 15 1/4. So that means the Slash takes it home. So here you go, Slash. Got the brand new battery, and Slash takes home the W with a clean sweep of 3-0. And I'm just letting y'all know, this is new schedule, so every Monday there should be a new video out. And yeah, I just hope y'all keep enjoying these videos, and hopefully next week we'll have the new Slash with the new motor in it. So I'll catch you guys next Monday. Peace.